File handling is a crucial aspect of programming. Welcome to the study guide video for Principles of Programs. Chapter 7, File Handling and Applications. This interaction includes reading data from and writing data to files. This capability opens up a world of possibilities for developers. It enables them to store data persistently, retrieve information from external sources, and share data between different programs. Please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Streams are objects that represent the flow of data. They provide a consistent interface for interacting with files and other input-output devices. Random access memory is volatile. Text files contain data that people can read in an editor. Every file has a size measured in bytes or kilobytes, gigabytes, and so on. When it comes to data hierarchy, files contain records. File handling is essential for various applications. A closed file's contents are no longer available to the program. The process of opening a file locates it and associates a name with it. Next, we will dive into opening and closing files. Before performing any operations on a file, you need to open it. Opening a file establishes a connection between the program and the file. The process of opening a file locates it and associates a name with it. The method takes two arguments, the file name and the file opening mode. The file opening mode determines how the file will be accessed. For example, you can open a file in read mode, write mode, or append mode. When you write to a file, you copy data from memory to a storage device. Once finished, close the file to release resources and prevent data loss. Although printed output usually contains explanations and formatting, data files do not usually contain those features. When records are stored in order based on the contents of a field, they are stored sequentially. Merging files is the act of combining them while retaining their sequential order. Robust error handling ensures the program can recover without crashing. A control break occurs when a program pauses for special processing based on a value. One common approach is to check the stream state after each operation. For instance, the fail method returns true if the previous operation failed. This ensures your program handles file-related errors gracefully. A list of customers that pauses to display a count with each new zip code is an example of a control break report. Reading data from a file involves extracting information stored in a file and bringing it into the program's memory. This process requires opening the file in read mode. The value in a control break field causes some special processing to occur. The nature of the special processing can be different from program to program. When a control break occurs, you update the value in the control break field to be ready for the next control break. After the program writes a record from the fall file, the next step is to read the next record from the fall file. Writing data to a file involves sending information from the program's memory to a file. This process requires opening the file in write mode. In C++, you can use the class to open a file for writing. When you merge records from two or more sequential files, the usual case is that the records in the files have the same format. A primary file holds more permanent data than a transaction file. A transaction file is often used to update a primary file. Appending to a file means adding data to the end of an existing file without overwriting its current contents. This operation is useful when you want to preserve the existing information in a file while adding new data. The saved version of a file that does not contain the most recently applied transactions is known as a parent file. Opening a file in append mode ensures that the output stream starts writing data at the end of the file's content. Any data written to the file will be added after the existing data, effectively appending it to the file. Random access files are not typically used in batch processing. To see more videos like this, please click in the rectangle in the middle of your screen. To see other videos from this channel, please click the circle on the bottom right. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel.